Do you know that you are the reason why your video are not being recommended and suggested by YouTube? Do you know that you have been uploading your video the wrong way? That is why you are still stuck in 5 views, 3 views, sometimes probably 1 view, 0 views. Yes, you are the reason. You have been the one killing your views. You have been the one killing your channel by yourself, and you don't even have idea about it. So in this video, I'm here to show you what to do during your uploading process, the setting you need to turn on while uploading your video, what and what implies while uploading your video. Because if you want just upload video, it just because you created a video, even if the video is educative video, the video is, there are so many juicy in the video, my dear, if you don't upload it the right way, you will not get the result that you really wanted. You will not get the result that you really expected. Yes, trust me, you will not get it. So I'm here to show you a step-by-step process on how to upload your video, the things that you need to turn on, the things that you need to add on your video, so that the YouTube algorithm can be able to push your video to people that really wants to watch you. Because if you just create a quality content, edit it very well with a lot of juicy inside, and you just upload it anyhow, and my dear, YouTube will just push it anyhow. You will not see the result that you really wanted. So number one thing that I will show you in this video is, number one is end screen. Yes, I know a lot of you don't even have idea about end screen. What is end screen sef? You have been hearing end screen. You don't even know what is end screen. So I'm here to tell you what end screen is in this video. So without much being said, if you are new to this channel, please kindly hit the subscribe button, like this video, comment this video, so that the YouTube algorithm can push this video to a lot of people, so that they can also watch and learn. All right, thank you for doing that. So the next thing that I will introduce you is card, end screen and card. Yeah. Then the next thing that I will show you in this video is your playlist. I know most of you don't even have playlist on your channel. You've not created any playlist. You have been uploading your video anyhow, anywhere, without playlist. You are just upload your video. You don't even put it in your group. Playlist is just like you selling rice and beans and crayfish, all those things. And those things that you use to store your rice is what we call playlist in YouTube. That bag you use to put your rice is what we call playlist. So if you carry your rice and pour it inside that bag, that is playlist. You know that this bag is mainly for the rice, you understand? And the other bag is mainly for your beans. You just pour your beans inside that bag. That is another thing for playlist. That is another example for playlist. So most of you don't even have idea about what playlist is. So a lot of you don't have idea about playlists. So I'm here to tell you what playlists really are. Really need to create a playlist, at least 2 or 3 or more than that. You really need to create a playlist so that your video can be arranged. You cannot just post video, upload video, and it be rampant, scattering everywhere. You don't arrange your video. So that is the thing I'm going to tell you about in this video. So let's head over to our YouTube studio so that I can show you all these things with practical. Let's not just talk it theory. Let's go into the practical aspect of it.
Okay guys, for the settings, you head over to your Google, you type youtube.studio.com. Yeah, because I've been logging in, that is why this one here, youtube.studio.dashboard.login. You type it, you click on that one, you log in to your YouTube studio. Allow it to load. Allow it to load. Just be a little bit patient, it will open. So this is it. Though this is not the channel I want to work on. I'm working on a different channel. So let's switch the channel. So as you are waiting for the channels to load. So now it has opened here right now. So most of my videos are not really doing well. As you can see, my videos are not doing well. So what you will do, you click here, content. rather content here, sorry. These are the video I want to work on. Like most of my video, they are not really trying. They are very lacking behind. Look at the views I'm getting. The views are not encouraging at all. So I want to work on this video here. I want to work on this video. How to feel more confident on camera. I don't know if you can see it. It's very tiny. So I want to work on that video here. Oh God, how did you open it? I want to work on this video. I will just click on the thumbnail. All these things will show. This pencil analytics, um this thing comments and all the rest. It will come out like this. What you just do, you just go ahead and click on this pencil icon here. If you click on the pencil icon, it will come out like this. Have you seen it? It will come out like this. So a lot was really going wrong with this video. I did not optimize this video at all. First of all, let's go to playlist. I did not put this video on any playlist. As you can see, can you guys see the playlist? This thing is empty. The playlist box is empty, so you have to go ahead and click the playlist that you really want this video to belong to. Yeah, as I was saying in in that video, I said that playlist is just like a bag of rice, bag of beans. You classify them into their different species. So that is the work of playlist, so that it can be it will be very easy for the algorithm to identify it and then know the right place to push the video to. So I'll go ahead and put on my playlist here Ingress tutorial, because it's a tutorial video. Yeah, it's a tutorial video. How to feel confidence on camera is a tutorial. So I put it there and done. Okay. Another thing is this end screen. What am I doing, self? Another thing is this subtitle. You have to put your subtitle. This subtitle is kind of, I'm still new to it, sha. If there is anybody that knows how to put this subtitle, please let me know, because I'm still new to this. So let's skip that one. You go to your end screen. You click on the end screen. I did not. This video was just me making talking, and post it on YouTube like that. This video, a whole lot was going wrong with it. So that is why you are seeing most of my video are just being stuck. 5 views, 6 views. The one that is doing well, 10 views, finish. The one that is trying to do is the last one I just uploaded. All how to create a YouTube channel. Yeah, that video. Yeah, it's trying among. I just posted it 4 days ago. It's already on 15 views. So I pray to God before maybe 1 week, 2 weeks is to kick off, because I've optimized that video very well. Put the right thumbnail, everything is okay with the video. So let's go to the end screen part. Then you see what I click. You click here, video. You click video. The video you want to this playlist I put. Okay, let me just play this playlist here. The first one, you click on element again. You click on video. YouTube will suggest the video by itself. You click on the channel, subscribe. That one is automatic. You click on element again, go on to video. YouTube will suggest video. So do you see what I'm doing? Playlist, video and subscribe button. YouTube will just suggest the video that will suit for your audience. Or if you want to go ahead and choose your video by yourself, no problem. But for this one, I'm okay with this. If you are not okay with it, you can go ahead and choose any video that you want by clicking on that box, and you come here, you see it, choose specific video, select from your video or from any video on YouTube. You can as well advertise and promote any other video apart from your own. So that is what that icon is all about. So the next one is for you to save it. You save it here. Okay, save it. Then you go to the next one is card. You go to card. You come to card. You click video. Then you click video. The video you want to promote. Me, I like promoting my first like my fresh content. You click on another one. You promote another video. Any video at all that you want to promote, just click there and be putting the video. Put those video there. Okay, so that YouTube can help you promote it. I don't know if you used to notice some creators, some YouTubers, maybe by the end of their video, those boxes will appear. Is their video that they are promoting? So I think we are done here. You just go ahead and save it. Go ahead and save it. Okay. So the next thing I want to do is for me to come here. When I come here, a whole lot was going wrong with this video. I will just click some certain things here or correct, just be seeing what I'm doing. I did not even add tags to this video. Hi God help you. Newbie is still a newbie, sha. But anyways, I'll always carry my fellow newbies along. Whatever information I gather, I will come here to drop it so that another person will also have the idea. It's not only me that will learn. Hmm. How can I get an information? I will die with the information. No, now it's not done that way. Especially vital information. No, no, no. I don't do that. Any vital information that I know that it will help my audience, it will help other people. My dear, I will drop it though, unless the one that will cause harm. I will just bury it or I will just erase it on my head. But if it is the one that will bring benefits, that will bring growth to my fellow creators, my dear, before you know, if I hear the information tonight, tomorrow morning, I don't drop am. So that is me for you. So this page is all about learning new things, like learning tips on how you can grow on YouTube, guys. So this is all about this my page. Whatever video that you see me post it here, I know that I'm still a newbie. I might not perform well to your own satisfaction, but it's always okay for you to watch. No knowledge is a waste, okay? It's always okay for you to watch. Gather the one you can gather and add to your own, then make magic out of it, okay? That is how I do my own. I watch other people gather from here, then add your own, and boom, before you know, things don't happen. You never can tell. My darling, you never can tell. So I will come over to this tag here. I'll come over to tag YouTube. I'll just be typing YouTube growth. Just type whatever things that is related to the content. You type in the tags, then being confident. Being confident. I'll just be putting all those tags that is related to the video. Viral video. So just be typing the whatever thing that is related to your video, be typing it so that YouTube can be able to recommend it, okay? So that YouTube can be able to recommend it. Just be optimized, part of optimizing your videos. You'll be typing the tags, whatever things that you want to type on the tags, you type it. So that is it. If you find this video helpful to you, please hit on the subscribe button. Support me so that when I blow, I will know that I have, like, it's you people that make me to blow. Do you get? Support me. Do not just say, this one is a newbie, let me just leave her. If you don't support me, how am I going to blow, guys? I beg, please, you people should support me. I beg, I'm begging you. I beg, please support me. If you have any question, go ahead and drop on the comment section. like this video, share this video, because the more the more you engage on this video, that is how YouTube algorithm will also push it to the rightful audience. My name is still remain Queen Grace, the number one coach on YouTube tips on how to grow on YouTube. Please, thank you for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye. Oh, let's before I forget, before you leave, don't leave this page without saving it. Come here and save it. You see what I did? Save. The video have been saved. Can you see? Changes saved. Sure, you guys have seen what I did. So that you not do all your does all your does, I be do all the things, and the things to end up being in vain. Make sure that you save it, okay? Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Signing out. See you in my next video. Bye.